So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a very simple and easy arrangement simply by using calla lilies. So just one flower, a beautiful vase, and that is all you need. Now these are the smaller calla lilies, thinner stem, smaller bloom. You can find them pretty much anywhere. I bought these today at my local farmer's market. Now, calla lilies are stunning. They're sculptural, and part of the beauty of the calla lily is actually the stem. So, we're actually going to highlight the stem by manipulating the shape of it into the shape of the vase. This way, not only the flower itself looks beautiful, but the stems also look beautiful in the vase. So, in order for you to be able to manipulate the vase of the calla lily, they must lose a little bit of the moisture. Now, calla lilies do hold a lot of moisture. So, in order for them to do that, just let them sit out in room temperature for a while. They do hold a lot of moisture. So, it's okay for them to sit out for a few hours. You want to let them sit so that they become a little more flexible. So, these have been sitting out for a few hours. So, what we're going to do next is we're going to take one stem and you're simply going to run your hands through the stem, simply creating that curve. So essentially, you're manipulating the stem to follow a specific curve that you want. So if you're depending on the different size of the vase that you're using, so where you do that, once you see that the stem actually has some flexibility, it can actually bend. You can go ahead and put that right in the vase here. Now, I want to put it so that obviously the flower itself stays on the outside, and then the side of the stem here that we cut will be underwater. So once we put all of the stems inside, we're going to fill the vase with water so that they're still hydrating. So we're going to follow the same steps here with the other stems. Now, these have been sitting out, so they become quite flexible. So it makes my job a lot easier. And we're just going to layer in all of the other ones in. So again, the more they sit out, the better it will be. Just don't let them sit out, of course, for too long. Let them sit out just enough so that they allow you to manipulate the stem. Continue to layer them in. I just love calla lilies. They last for so long. They're so beautiful. They work in modern settings, traditional, formal settings, casual. They're just so simple and so chic. And they also last for so long. So it's amazing how just simple flowers can go such a long way. You can already see how beautiful it's taking shape. Here we have one last stem here. And that's it. Now I'm going to fill this with water and I'm going to show you what the final product is. And here you have it. The final product. They look stunning. And this was for $10. I mean, this is something that looks so elevated, so beautiful, and it could be a great gift. Now, just remember to subscribe for lots more tutorials on making beautiful flower arrangement.